How to turn off Sephora notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Sephora app on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to turn off notifications for the Sephora app on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch your settings application here. Once you launch your settings application, you want to just go to this option here known as notifications. Once you go to notifications, under notification style, if you do find the Sephora application in the S section, that's perfectly fine. You can select Sephora and then turn off the toggle. But in case you don't find Sephora over here, what you have to do is you have to go to this option under Siri known as Siri suggestions and then tap on it. Under Siri suggestions, just scroll down to the S section again here. When you scroll to the S section, you'll find Sephora. So you want to make sure to turn off the toggle next to Sephora, and then you will no longer receive notifications for the Sephora application. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically turn off notifications for Sephora. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.